Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha. In today's video, I'll show you how to make red rice cereal and red rice porridge for babies. This is a very simple recipe. If you have a baby at home, when you start solids, you'll be looking for simple, easily digestible recipes for them, right? So this is one such recipe, I would say. Red rice, on contrary of white rice, has a lot of nutrients because it is not ripped off all that by the polishing method. So it is rich in iron, it is rich in fiber, it is heart healthy, and it is definitely easily digestible. So this is great for babies, and if you are offering it to babies about 8 months only, then add dry fruits, which I have definitely added in this recipe and given you an idea of how you can mix dry fruits and in what ratio you have to do that. So you can do that if your child is already offered dry fruits. If not, please skip that because dry fruits are recommended only above 8 months. So let's dive right in and see how to make red rice cereal and porridge for babies.
Let's first see the list of ingredients required to make this red rice cereal. In a pan, I am now adding red rice. If you are not able to find red rice, you can even replace it with brown rice, but this is again another healthy form, so once in a while you can try and use this. Now roast it well on medium flame, and once completely done, you can see that the color changes a bit, gets a little darker because it's almost brown now. So we will transfer it to a plate, and then I'm adding Bengal gram or chana. This is good for adding that required carbs and energy for your baby food, and hence I've added here. It will not cause any gas because the ratio is just little, so don't worry on that. Now I'm adding dry fruits, almond, pista and cashew nuts I have added here, and this can be added for babies above 8 months. If you are making it for younger babies, I would say skip it. Now once until it is done, see, you do not have to worry that it needs to be a fine powder because in home jar you cannot expect that to be too fine, but slightly coarse like this is sufficient because anyways we will cook it later. Now transfer it to an airtight container and store it for further use. I'll show you how to make the porridge here. Add the powder and then the palm sugar or any form of jaggery, or skip it if you do not want to add it and make a savory version. Add pepper powder and cumin powder. Now along with ghee, I'm adding in water and cooking it. Keep stirring it. First make it lump free before you put on the flame, and then I'm continuously stirring, and you can see it thickens up. And eventually if you want it to be thinner, you can add more water and cook it, but I would say for younger babies, especially below an year, it needs to be thick enough to stand on your finger. So our nutritious red rice cereal is all ready to be served.
If you like this recipe, there are some more recommendations. Please do check urad dal cereal, barley cereal. I have also shared instant mixes recipes like instant poha porridge, instant oats cereal. So all these can be found on our blog totsandmoms.com. Do check them. There are plenty of soup, puree, dry fruit powder recipe, dates powder recipe. Everything you want to offer your child when you start solids for them can be found there. Finger food, snacks as well for older babies. So do consider subscribing to my channel because regularly you will get updates of that, and consider liking. That's really important. Only if you click on that like button, I will know that you guys are liking my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry for my voice. I have a very bad throat, and I'll see you soon. Take care of your health. Bye-bye.